What's up you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be sharing why did I actually create Shivani Explorin. What is the reason behind another channel when I had She Walking going on, and what am I really doing here. So let's get right into it. So there are 3 reasons why I started Shivani Explorin. The first one and the most important one is the money. So basically I have She Walking monetized, but then I have been making revenue on She Walking from the last 1 year, but then it's only now after 1 whole year that I am making $100 a month. So that is very little, right? And like, even though I do a lot of places and I try to add different flavors, but I don't understand like what could bring the spike. Like, I would still be working. Maybe I will, from now on I will be making like an hour and a half hour long, 1.5 hour long videos. But then even then I'm not sure like what could be so extraordinary that I would start making more money. So definitely money is one of the main reasons why I was like, okay, I need to make more money, so let's create another channel and explore around and see if something picks up and we can get some money moving. Second reason is that since She Walking, and even before that, I have always been a little camera shy. Like, although I did a little bit of theater in my life, but even then you don't really come in front of the camera, you're in front of the audience. So I was always like, I don't know if I can do the vlogging, if I can talk to the camera, if I can be in front of the lens, like it's the same thing, camera, lens, whatever. But yeah, I was always camera shy kind of, and a bit far away from the idea of vlogging. So last year I became a huge fan of Yes Theory, and how Yes Theory is always saying seek discomfort, go out and seek discomfort. So this started revolving around in my head, and I was like, okay, I am going to seek discomfort. So I was like, okay, worst case scenario, the channel doesn't work. Worst case scenario, people are like, oh my god, you are not making any sense, and stop. So until that worst case scenario, I will keep trying. And maybe in the trying phase, I could get a little better and eventually make decent appearances or decent vlogs. So yeah, I think this is one of the reasons, like definitely one of the main top 3 reasons why I started vlogging and bringing this fear out and seeking discomfort, because Yes Theory. Third reason. So now this one might sound a bit weird and out of context when it comes to the first 2. But one of the main reasons for sure was making enough money to go to Isha Foundation, which is like Sadhguru's ashram in Coimbatore in South India, and do some meditation courses. So a few months ago I was looking up for these courses and they were really expensive. Like, that's something I cannot afford at all. Like, anywhere close in the future I cannot afford a course from Isha Foundation. So I was like, I am going to work hard, I am going to create another channel, I'm going to make money, and I will take that money and do meditation at Isha Foundation. So these are the top 3 reasons why I started this channel, and let's hope that something works out and we can make money and we can seek discomfort and we can be meditative and create lots and 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 more content. I'm sorry, that wasn't funny. So basically my strategy with Shivani Explorin, and maybe seeing that I could monetize this in the near future somehow, includes the things that I'm passionate about. So like, I have written down 5 topics that I'm really passionate about, and I am going to create content within those 5 topics. So like, for example, one topic I'm really passionate about is Krishna, Lord Krishna. So what I do is I make 5 videos out of that topic. Then next thing is Sadhguru or spirituality. Then I would make 5 videos out of that. 5 videos out of travel, 5 videos out of YouTube analytics, YouTube algorithm, and 5 topics out of just like lifestyle or local culture stuff. And then with this much content, I will see which one is working, which one is working decently, and then my next step would be to make 10 more videos from that which worked. For example, Sadhguru content worked. Then my next step would be making more content related to Sadhguru and see how that goes. So I just have to pick that one thing that just might work, and then I will create more content within that zone. So that is my strategy, and let's see how this goes. I will be sharing monthly analytics and monthly growth, so we can be in this together and see how Shivani exploring and see how Shivani explores. So thanks a lot for watching and have a wonderful day. Namaste.